class. In this video tutorial, I would like to show you the basic buttons that you will be using with the Brother ScanNCut. So let's turn on our machine and get started. When you first turn on your machine, you're going to hit the home button. Okay? It's going to say the carriage and mat will move away. I'm going to go ahead and open up my machine and just okay. The reason it moves a little is because it has to unload the mat when it first turns on, but there was nothing inside the machine. You have two choices. You have pattern and you have scan. When we choose pattern, we have different categories of patterns to cut out. When we choose scan, we have a few options. We have direct cut, which means that we're going to cut a pattern directly out of our paper that we scan in. We have scan to cut data. That means that we're going to scan images, maybe stamped images or images we draw, and we're going to save them as data. Okay, scan to cut data. The reason you want to do that is so that you can manipulate the data later. Maybe you want to resize it or select parts of it. Okay, that's scan to cut data. And the last option is scan to USB. Okay, if you scan to USB, you're going to use your USB stick. I have one here. And drop it, okay? And you're going to just, there's the USB stick if you're wondering what my little skateboard is. Okay, and you're going to save the data to the USB. The reason you'd want to do that is if your machine is running low on memory. Okay? With the scan to cut data, you can save it to several places, and we'll get into that in a later lesson. Okay? So those are your basic features, or your basic functions, and then you have this button here, which loads and unloads the mat. This button here, which starts and stops your scan and your cut processes. And this button here, which is all your settings. I think the best way to learn is to do. Okay, if we just get in there and start working with the machine, you will learn how to use it. There's no need for me to show you these settings yet. They are specific to projects, and we will need those later when we're cutting several different types of paper. But right now, we do not need to mess with our settings. We do not need to collaborate our machine, unless your machine is used as much as mine. I doubt that because you probably just got your machines, because this is a basic Brother ScanNCut course. So, with that said, I'm going to go ahead and turn off my machine, and I will see you in the next video where we will start to cut out patterns using this feature here.